Top 5 Best Full-Size Military Tactical Multi-Tools. 1. Victorinox Swiss Army Swisstool with nylon pouch. No tool belt should be without its very own Victorinox Swiss Army Swisstool. The Swisstool was designed for ease of use, but doesn't compromise on durability or functionality. Individual springs hold the tools in place so you can easily access each one individually. 2. IUNIO Survival Off-Roading Tool Kit. Multi-tool kit combo gets the job done. IUNIO tool heads with IUNIO extension tubes match the needs of a variety of outdoor jobs including firefighting, gardening, hunting, camping, hiking, off-road, disaster cleanup, maintenance. 3. IUNIO Survival Off-Roading Tool Kit. Multi-tool kit combo gets the job done. IUNIO tool heads with IUNIO extension tubes match the needs of a variety of outdoor jobs including firefighting, gardening, hunting, camping, hiking, off-road, disaster cleanup, maintenance. 4. XUANLAN Emergency Survival Kit. All-in-one survival kit for extreme adventures. This all-in-one survival kit contains everything that any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast would need. Includes emergency blanket, fire starter, scraper, compass, Swiss card, flashlight. 5. Multi-tool and fire starter set. More Pilot Tactical Knife and Fire Starter Set is made of top-quality material which makes it so durable, lightweight, and extremely resistant. It will be your important friends when you are camping, hiking, hunting, outdoor survival. Check the description below for more details and price. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.